Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is on HCF of two numbers, that is A and B, expressed as a linear combination of A and B. Now the first question is, if HCF of 144 and 180 is expressed as 13m minus 3, find the value of m. You can calculate HCF by any of the two methods, either by prime factorization or by Euclid division, but I am going to use here Euclid division in all the questions. First of all, in 144 and 180, which term is greater? 180. Then we'll do long division method or Euclid division. 144 into 1 will be 144. 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 4, that is 3. Now bring 144 here. 36 into 4 will be 144. So the HCF is 36. But we are given that HCF of this and this is expressed as this. HCF is 13m minus 3. Now substitute the value 13m, bring 3 on the right hand side. So the value of m will be 39 divided by 13, answer is 3. Now second question is, if HCF of 45 and 210 is expressible in form 210x plus 45 into 5, find x. I'll be calculating this by Euclid. 210 divided by 45. 45 into 4, it will be 180. Now minus them. 11 minus 8, 30. Bring 45 here. 30 into 1, 30. Minus them. 15 into 2, 30. So the remainder is 0. HCF is 15. We are given that HCF is expressible in the form. We are given that HCF for is apply is equal to, write the term 210x plus 45 into 5. Substitute the value of HCF, that is 15. Multiply them. 2 to 5. Bring 2 to 5 in the LHS. It is minus 210. Now divide them. 210 by 210 cancel on. So the value of x is minus 1. Answer. Now the third question is, if HCF of 152 and 272 is expressible in the form of this, find the value of x. First of all, 272 is greater than 152. Calculate HCF by any of the method, but I am using here Euclid method. 272, 152. 152 into 1. 152 minus them. 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 5 2 and 1. Bring 152 here. 120 into 1, 120. 32. 32 into 3, 6 and 96. 10 minus 6 4, 11 minus 9 2. Bring 32. 24 into 1, 24. 32 minus 12 minus 4, 8. 8 into 3, 24. Now the remainder is 0. So the HCF is given by 8. We have HCF is equal to 8. Now in the question, HCF is expressible in the form for HCF for is apply is equal to expressible in the form this. Write this term 272 into 8 plus 152x. Substitute the value of HCF, that is 8. Bring this term on the left hand side. Don't multiply them. Take 8 common. Since 8 is common here, so 1 is left, minus 272. Bring 152 in the denominator. 1 minus 272 will be minus 271. 8 into 19 is 152. So the value of x is minus 271 divided by 19. Now next question is, if HCF of 24 and 36 is expressible as 24a plus 36b, find a and b. First of all, find HCF 36 and 24. 24 into 1, 24. 12. Bring 24 here. 12 into 2, 24. Now express it as according to Euclid. Division lemma. 36 is represented as dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 36 is represented as 24 into 1 plus 12. And 24 is written as 12 into 2 plus remainder is 0. Now HCF is expressible. For HCF for is apply is equal to, then write 24a plus 36b. Substitute the value of HCF, that is 12. 24a plus 36b. From this equation, the value of 12 will be 36 minus 24. Substitute here. From there, from equation 1, the value of 12 will be 36 minus 24. From 1. Now write as 24 into minus 1 will be minus 24 plus 36 into 1. Now compare terms on both sides. On comparing, the value of a will be minus 1 because the coefficient of 24 is minus 1 and here the coefficient of 24 is a, and the coefficient of 36 is 1 and the coefficient of 36 on right hand side is 1. So the value of b is 1. Now fifth question is, if HCF of 52 and 117 is expressible in the form of this, find the values of x and y. Calculate the HCF by Euclid method. 52 into 2 will be 104. Minus them, 7 minus 4, 3, 1 minus 0, 1. 52, 13 into 4 is 52. So HCF is 13. Now by Euclid write them as 117 is written as 52 into 2 plus 13, and 52 is written as 13 into 4 plus 0. Now we are given that HCF is for is apply is equal to expressible in the form of this, right? 52x plus 117y. Now substitute the value of HCF, that is 13, from equation 1. Calculate the value of 13. The value of 13 value will be 117 minus 52 into 2. The value of 13 will be 117 minus this term goes there, minus 52 into 2. Now substitute this value here. 117 minus 52 into 2. Now write 52 into minus 2 plus 117 into 1. Now compare. On comparing, we get the value of xb minus 2 and the value of yb 1. Required answer. The coefficient of 52 is minus 2. The coefficient of 52 is x. So the value of x is minus 2. Here the coefficient of 117 is 1 and here y. So the value of y is 1. Required answer. Now next question is, if HCF of this and this is expressible in the form, find the value of m. 1032 divided by 408 into 2, 8 into 2 16 and 4 into 2 8. Now minus them. 12 minus 6 6, 2 minus 1 1, 10 minus 8 2. Bring 408 here. 216 into 1, 216. 2, 10 minus 1 9, 3 minus 2 1, 216. 192 into 1. 6 minus 2 4, 11 minus 9 2. 192. 24 into 8. 8 into 4 32. So the HCF is 24. Now since HCF is 24, HCF is given by 1032m minus 408 into 5. Now substitute value of HCF 24, multiply them. 8 into 5 40, 5 into 4 20. Bring this term on the left hand side. Add them. 4 6 0 2. Bring 1032 in the denominator, cancel out. So the value of m be 2. Required answer. Now seventh question is, if HCF of this and this is expressed as this, find the values of x and y. First of all, calculate HCF. 111 into 2 will be 2 2 2. Minus them. 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 2, 1. 11 into 9 will be 108. 11 minus 8, 3. 3 into 4, 12. So the HCF is given by 3. Now apply 234 is written as 111 into 2 plus 12. 111 is equal to 12 into 9 plus 3, and 12 is written as 3 into 4 plus 0. Now the HCF is 3 and we are given that HCF is 234x plus 11y. Substituted 234x plus 11y is equal to 3. From equation 2, the value of 3 will be 111 minus 12 into 9. From equation 2, the value of 3 will be, hide it, 111 minus 12 into 9. Now substitute here, 111 minus 12 into 9. Now look here, from equation 1, the value of 12 will be, from equation 1, the value of 12 will be 234 minus, the value of 12 will be 234 minus 111 into 2. Now substitute here, the value of 12, 234 minus 111 into 2 and into 9. 234 into 9, don't multiply them, just write as such. Minus into minus will be plus. Write 111 as such, and 2 into 9, 18. Now don't multiply them, just take 111 common from here. So when it gets common, so 1 is left, and plus 18 plus 234 give minus 2, 9. 111 into 1 plus 18, 19. 234, write this term first, plus 111 into 19. 234. Now compare the coefficient of 234. Here is x and here it is minus 9, and coefficient of 111 is y and here it is 19. This is the required answer. Now next question is, if HCF of 117 and 65 is expressible in the form this, find the values of x and y. First of all, calculate HCF. 65 into 1, 65. 7 minus 5, 2. 11 minus 6, 5. 52 into 1 will be 52. 5 minus 2, 3 and 1. So the HCF is given by 13. Now write 117 as 65 into 1 plus 52. 65 is equal to 52 into 1 plus 13, and 52 is written as 13 into 4 plus 0. Now HCF is this and HCF is given by 13. Compare them. 13 is equal to 117x plus 65y. We need to find the values of x and y. First of all, from equation 2, the value of 13 can be written as height 13, 65 minus 52. The value of 13 is written as 65 minus 52. Now substitute this value here, 65 minus 52. Now from equation 1, the value of 52 can be written as 117 minus 65. 117 minus 65. Now substitute this value here. The value of 52 will be 117 minus 65. 65 minus 117, minus and minus converts to plus. 65 plus 65, take 65 common, it will be 1 plus 1. 65 into 2 plus 117 into minus 1. Now compare the values. The coefficient of 117 is minus 1 and here the coefficient of 117 is x. So the value of x will be minus 1. Now compare the coefficient of y. The coefficient of 65 is y and the coefficient of 65 here is 2. So the value of y is 2. This is the required answer. Now the question is, if HCF of this and this is expressible in the form this, find the value of y. First of all, calculate HCF. 657 into 1 minus them 13 minus 7 6 5 minus 5 0 9 minus 6 3 6 5 7 1 it will be 2 6 into 2 12 and 3 into 2 6 7 minus 2 5 5 minus 1 4 3 0 6 45 multiplied by 6 we get 6 5 30 24 plus 3 27 6 minus 0 6 10 minus 7 3 36 into 1 36 15 minus 6 9 9 into 4 36. So the HCF is given by 9. HCF is 9 and HCF is represented in the form 657 into 22 plus 963 by. Now substitute the value of HCF, that is 9. Bring this term on left hand side. Take 9 common from here. 9 into 1 9. Let's check. 9 7 63 27. On taking common, just to make calculation easy, we get 73 into 22. Now multiply them. 1606. Bring 963 in the denominator. Cancel out. 9 into 1 9 0 7. 1 minus 1605, it will be minus 1605. So the value of i's, cancel them, minus 15. 107 into 15 will be 1605. On cancelling, the value of I is minus 15. This is the required answer. Now try these questions and answer them in the comment section given below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, share videos with your friends. Bye bye.